Before we dive in, there's going to be an exclusive link down below for Sakitech viewers that will get you $150 instant Samsung credit instead of the usual $100 everybody else is getting. Plus, you will get a free memory upgrade. Those links are going to be down below. Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video what we have here is we have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium gray color, which I anticipate is going to be the most popular color. So in this video, let's unbox it and get some first impressions on this fantastic smartphone. Alright, so here we have the box. You can see it looks just like the box from last year, except you have the S Pen right over here. Now when I remove this, inside we're going to have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Again, beautiful titanium color. We are going to get a detailed look at this product in a second by doing a product tour. But when I lift this up, I'm going to put it to the side, and you can see here it is empty, and over here we do have a USB cable and a user manual, which would be inside this box. And here's all the contents, as you can see, including the little pin ejector tool. So let's push this to the side and focus on the main dish and do a full product tour. Alright, so here it is, and you can see that it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now you can see that we have the titanium gray color. This in the back over here is Gorilla Glass Armor, which is the latest. And then you can see that we do have titanium finish around the edges of the device. We also have the quad camera system. Again, we have a 200 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 50 megapixel 5x optical camera, and a 10 megapixel 3x optical camera, which is a great setup. And you can see these two camera elements over here now have a silver ring around the actual elements, which is a little bit different than the S23 Ultra. These were bare, these had a ring, but now all five have a ring around the actual camera element. Now here's a comparison. S23 Ultra, no ring. We have the silver rings on these two. And then over here, you can see that titanium finish around the frame of the device. Now remember, this titanium is only going to be available on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It does have a matte brushed finish that looks absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. Okay, at the bottom, we do have a SIM card tray, USB Type-C port, speaker grill, S Pen. Now on this side, we have nothing. It's all nice titanium. On the top, we do have two microphones, as you can see, and then on this side we have the volume rocker and the power button, also finished in titanium, and then we have the rest of the phone, as you can see. Absolutely gorgeous phone. Let's turn this on and see exactly what's going on here. Now here's a quick look at all the colors. We have the titanium gray, we have the titanium black, we have the titanium yellow, and we have the titanium violet, just so you guys know what they look like. Alright, so here we have it turned on for the very first time. I'm going to tap on start with all you guys. Tap on start, and here we are. Agree to all the terms that are optional. Tap on agree. And basically, if you have an older device, you're able to transfer everything over from the old device to this device using some of these options. I'm going to tap on setup manually. I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi. We are all good to go. And I want to let you know real quick, guys, this screen here is also Gorilla Glass Armor, and it is supposed to be 75% less reflective. So when you're out in the daylight, not only is the screen going to have higher brightness, it's also going to be less reflective, giving you ideal viewing under heavy direct sunlight. So that's fantastic. I'm going to say copy some apps and data. I'm going to complete the transfer. I'm going to be right back. Alright, so we have logged right in, and you can see it's right over here. Now, as a comparison, here's the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. You can see the bezels at the bottom are much different. The screen is a little bit flatter with less curvature on the end over here, but mainly they look the same. However, the smaller even bezels give it a slightly better look on this end. So let's see what new features we have over here. I'm going to show you guys real quick. If I go to the settings over here, now as you know, the display is now 2600 nits of brightness as opposed to 1750 on the S23 Ultra. So it is going to be an extremely bright display. And as you go down over here, you also have this new option known as adaptive color tone. When I enable this, it actually uses the front camera to adjust the colors and the white balance to make everything appear more natural. It's like the True Tone on the iPhone. Also, when you go down over here and go to navigation bar, you can see right now the swipe gestures, and I have this AI feature known as circle to search. So when I press and hold on this bar here, as you can see, it allows me to circle or scribble to search anywhere on the screen. This is one of the big AI features with the Samsung. So let's try this out. Tap on it. Okay. I'm going to just circle right here, see what happens. So basically, it takes that area and gives me Google search results based on what I just circled. If I were in the home screen, I can do the same thing. Press and hold, okay, and then circle anywhere, and then it's going to search that and bring me some similar items, or if it's a text or if it's an image of a building, it's going to tell me what that building is, get me some more details. So that's one of the AI features, and I know you guys are wondering about the AI features on this phone, so let me show you what's going on with that. If I were to go to the settings right here and then scroll down to advanced features, what they have done is they have bundled the advanced intelligence features right over here, okay? So we have advanced intelligence features, AI features for the phone, Samsung keyboard. We have the live interpreter, which allows you to translate conversations in real time in different languages. We have Samsung Notes AI features that allows you to automatically summarize content, notes that you have taken, okay? We'll make a video with details on all these features, of course, but I want to give you guys a quick overview here. But back over here, we have the voice recorder advanced feature. It says transform recordings into text and transcripts of your recordings. Also summaries and translations and all that good stuff. On many of these settings at the bottom, you can go back to more advanced features right from here. Okay, so photo editor, Samsung Internet, voice recorder, Samsung Notes, interpreter, circle to search, all that stuff is brand new, specifically bundled right under the advanced intelligence options in advanced settings. Now, one more thing that we have is when I pinch the screen and go to wallpaper and tap on change wallpaper, we have this brand new creative option. Now, when you click this, for now, you're going to see the generative AI wallpapers, but there's going to be another weather-related option that's going to pop up right here. But this one here, again, you are able to pick these various options. So I can go to, let's say, translucence, and then I can tap on the text here, modify the text. Let's say I want to get apple slice, and then tap on white, and I want a red background. And then when I have chosen everything that I want to, I tap on generate, and that is going to generate an AI wallpaper, a brand new fresh AI wallpaper that I can then set as my lock screen or the home screen. That's one example right here. Let's do one more example. So if I go over here, if I go to terrain, I get this text. I want something that is realistic. I want something that is based on a canyon, or let's say a beach. And then I want shades of green in it, and then I tap on generate, and that's going to give me a terrain wallpaper based on these parameters, which is absolutely fantastic. There we go, and it gives me a couple options I can pick from. They're all fresh, okay? So I'm going to tap on set, and then it allows me to set this on the home screen. Let's set this up and see what it looks like. There we go. It is fantastic and realistic. Now, as you know, this phone is running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. It's got 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabytes of storage. It's got a large, brand new vapor chamber. So the phone is fast, it's got better heat management, and it's nearly 25% faster than the S24 Ultra. And right over here, you can see the Geekbench scores. And when you put it side by side with the S24 Ultra, you can see there's a significant jump, specifically in the multi-core score. It basically goes from 5,000 to 7,000. So the S24 Ultra is in fact a powerful smartphone, ready to tackle anything. Now, one more thing I'm going to show you guys real quick is if I go to the settings, and if I go all the way down, go to About Phone. Under Software Information, this phone is running One UI 6.1 as opposed to 6.0 on other models. So this is going to have the latest software features, including the AI features that we talked about. And we also have some extra battery features. If I go to the settings over here, and if I scroll all the way down to device care, you can see under battery, we're going to have this battery protection feature. Now, this is a One UI 6.1 feature. So when you turn this on, you are able to select between basic, adaptive, or maximum based on your needs. If you do maximum, for example, you cannot charge the battery past 80%, but by doing so, you are going to be prolonging the actual battery life. So that's another new feature. I'm going to turn this off for now. Again, this is going to be a One UI 6.1 feature. Other than that, the phone has a 5000 milliamp hour battery with maximum 45 watt charging, and you are able to charge this battery from 0 to 65 in 30 minutes using 45 watt charging. So those are similar specs as last year on the S23 Ultra, but I do anticipate the battery life on this thing to be longer than the S23 Ultra because of the more efficient chipset and the better vapor chamber for cooling. Alright, so that was an unboxing video and some initial impressions. Stay tuned for all the other content that is coming, comparisons, tips and tricks, and detailed feature list coming shortly. Stay subscribed. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.